New tonight, there's new guidance for nursing home visits across the country, and that's bringing more hope for some families right here in Florida. ABC Action News reporter Haley Bull is digging into what this means and why some are waiting on the state for more guidance.
It's a somber message. Isolation kills. But one Mary Daniel and the group Caregivers for Compromise are sharing across the state with hundreds of signs.
We need to let people back in the way they've always been back in, especially those that are vaccinated.
They're bringing attention to the battle long-term care residents have faced over the course of the pandemic. But now,
finally,
the CDC and Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services are updating guidance for nursing home visits. It recommends physical distancing and outdoor visits, but also expands indoor visitation, does not restrict visitation in facilities with a COVID-19 case as long as it's contained to a single area, and lets a vaccinated resident choose to have close contact. Mary still wants to see guidance from the state
to be sure that there's no confusion.
The Agency for Healthcare Administration is reviewing the guidelines. The Florida Healthcare Association, which represents facilities, says it's communicating with the agency to look at how it compares to what's required under Florida's emergency order. Under the state's most recent order, outdoor visitation is allowed and general visitation is allowed with social distancing if there's no new onset of resident COVID cases in the previous 2 weeks. However, only compassionate caregivers may have physical contact. Governor Ron DeSantis addressing the issue this week.
We've had visitation for a long time. We want them to do whatever's best for their residents.
The state says all of Florida's licensed nursing homes and assisted living facilities have been offered vaccinations.
Hugs have been here since September. Hugs are here to stay, but there are some limitations on visitation.
The CMS guidelines may not affect assisted living facilities. The Florida Senior Living Association, which represents owners, is also waiting to see AHCA's direction.
We know that they're working on it.
In the meantime,
I'm hoping they get retired and we don't ever have to put them out again.
Haley Bull, ABC Action News.